Hey guys, Benjamin here at Gaston Motorcycle Works. We have a broken bolt, which is something that everybody has to deal with at some point on their motorcycle if it's a vintage motorcycle of any sort. So today we're going to do a kind of difficult one in that it's on the bottom side of the engine. It holds the oil pan in. If you take a look over there, you'll see the culprit. The broken bolt, it's nasty. We're going to show you a simple way to remove this. So the first thing you're going to want to do is take a punch, right, and a hammer, and you're going to want to make a detent in the bolt so that your drill bit doesn't skip around on the bolt as you're trying to remove it. We have here left-hand drill bits. So what these will do is they'll actually try to reverse the bolt as you're removing it. I've tried these bolt extracting tools and they're hardened steel and they break off inside. They expand the bolt and they make it really difficult to get it out. And once you break one of those tools inside this sort of soft metal that a bolt is, you're never gonna get it out. It's carbide bit and hours of nightmare. So the first thing we're gonna wanna do is, I don't know if you can see what it is that I'm doing, but I'm gonna put this punch on the drill bit right in the center of it, like that. And I'm going to tap it and make a dent so the drill bit doesn't wander as we're doing our drilling. So we're going to have to use a normal drill motor. This is an electric drill. On a slow speed, because we need to be able to drill backwards to be able to utilize the drill bit. Look at that. Easy breezy. Some sort of barbaric, but oh, would you look at that. So that was a very simple bolt extraction. Hopefully at some point, I don't wish this on myself, but hopefully I'll have a difficult one that I can show you that is a little bit harder to do and we have to drill a hole deeper into, but this is the bolt coming out using the left-hand drill bit. That's the key to victory. And also you really want to make that center punch so that the drill bit doesn't wander on the bolt. Okay? Thanks for watching. See you next time. Another fantastic tip, I think. I don't know if you guys like the shit I'm doing for you, but if you do like it, subscribe, tell your friends, and thanks for taking the time to look at what we do.